Cancer took my dad in 12 weeks. Now I warn everyone about 2 symptoms. In a heart-wrenching journey that spanned a mere 12 weeks, I lost my beloved father to the merciless grip of cancer. The moment he disclosed his diagnosis over the phone, my world crumbled. With a heavy heart, he informed me of his stage 4 pancreatic cancer, which had aggressively spread to his liver and lymph nodes. Despite his robust health and passion for gardening and walking, this disease swiftly claimed his life at the age of 67. The preceding year, a routine health check had oddly flagged him as borderline diabetic, a condition that seemed out of place given his healthy lifestyle. Unfortunately, this red flag was overlooked. And no further investigation was pursued. As the festive season approached, my father began to suffer from back pain, a symptom we later learned could indicate pancreatic cancer. At the time, however, this connection was unbeknownst to us and, regrettably, not made by the medical professionals either. His condition worsened despite physical therapy, leading to a late diagnosis in July 2020 after concerning blood test results. My father bravely faced his prognosis, but the delay in receiving chemotherapy, compounded by the COVID-19 pandemic, severely limited our options and time. The subsequent weeks were a tormenting wait, watching him deteriorate rapidly. Mobility and eating became strenuous tasks. When chemotherapy finally seemed within reach, we were devastated to learn the cancer had progressed too far. In those final days, discussions about his funeral arrangements were surreal, yet he remained practical and concerned about easing our burden. Choosing to bring him home for his final days, we were supported by Pancreatic Cancer UK and hospice nurses, ensuring he was as comfortable as possible. Despite the profound grief of witnessing his decline, we took solace in being able to say our goodbyes surrounded by love. His resilience and our unwavering support highlighted the profound bond we shared. Driven by this painful experience, my sister and I have embarked on a series of physical challenges, including the virtual London Marathon and the Yorkshire Three Peaks, to honor his memory and support Pancreatic Cancer UK. Through these efforts, we aim to raise awareness and advocate for early diagnosis and treatment options. The "Don't Write Me Off" campaign underscores the urgency of addressing pancreatic cancer more effectively to afford others the precious time we were denied. Our story is a testament to the love and strength of our family, and a call to action for better awareness and care for those facing pancreatic cancer. It's a plea for others to advocate for their health, seek early diagnostics, and ensure a dignified end, cherishing every moment with loved ones.